In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Acid Magic to clean your saltwater generator salt cell. And Acid Magic has the same strength as 31.45% muriatic acid, but it has 90% less fumes, and this is why it's ideal for using it to clean your salt cell. One of the drawbacks with using muriatic acid to clean your salt cell is the fumes, especially if your equipment area is enclosed. And this is why I like using Acid Magic to clean the salt cells on my route. Since it has 90% less fumes, I'm not going to smell any fumes while I'm cleaning the salt cell in the equipment area. Okay, the first thing you want to do is turn the breakers off. That way the pool is not going to turn on while you're doing this. Okay, once you have the power off to your pool and you know the pump's not going to come on, you want to remove the salt cell that you're going to clean. Every salt cell is a little different. This one here is a true clear, so it just unscrews from the top. And you can see there's quite a bit of calcium buildup here on the top of the cell, as well as on the front. And cleaning each salt cell is a little bit different. The Genty True Clear requires 1 part acid for 10 parts water. So I'm going to go ahead and measure in 1 part acid to 10 parts water and put it in this small bucket here. Then I'm going to soak the cell in it. And I'll show you how well the Acid Magic cleans the salt cell. So even though Acid Magic is safe to handle without gloves, I always like wearing gloves whenever I handle any chemical. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the cell in the acid water mix for about 20 minutes. And you can see the Acid Magic working, dissolving the calcium off the top of the cell here. Also note that Acid Magic has a 5-year shelf life, so you can use this just to clean your salt cell. And so if you're going to use the Acid Magic just to clean your saltwater cell, this gallon here will last you about 2 or 3 years if you clean your cell every 3 or 4 months. So the Acid Magic is a very affordable way to clean your salt cell. Here's a look at the cell after 20 minutes. You can see that all the calcium that was on the plates is gone. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. There's still a little bit on top, but I think when I rinse it off, it'll come right off. And I'm often asked what I do with the acid water mix when I'm done cleaning the cell. And I simply dump it into the pool. You can see all the calcium came off the top here as well. I simply hosed it off and the calcium broke up. I'm going to go ahead and put the cell back in. So that's a look at using Acid Magic to clean a salt cell. It's a very safe and easy and effective way to clean your salt cell. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.